Rigid inflatable boats are also known as RIBs and have three main parts: the hull that runs in the water, the deck that you stand on, and the inflatable tube around the boat to keep you safe. The highly skilled boat builders include tool makers, laminators, tube makers, and assembly staff. Safety is important at all times. The hull and deck are made from wooden plugs by the tool makers. Fiberglass molds are made on the plugs by laminating fiberglass cloth with resin. The resin, which is like glue, hardens to give strength and stiffness. Tool makers must be mechanically and creatively inclined with a good eye for smoothness and accuracy. They read drawings, work with tape measures, and follow precise instructions. The finished mold is popped off the plug and is then highly polished and waxed. The shiny mold is coated with gel coat, giving the boat that shiny surface. The mixer and the cutter place fiberglass and resin, exactly the right amount for one boat, in a box for delivery to the laminators. The laminators apply the fiberglass, wetting it out with the resin to remove all air bubbles to give it strength. The grinding team smooths the edges and the bonding area, where the hull and deck will be joined. The bonding team fill the inside with buoyancy foam to help the boat float, and they glue the hull and deck and clamp it together. The boat is taking shape. The finishing team grind, buff, and sand out any defects. The small parts department make all the external parts such as seats and steering consoles. The same fiberglass processes are used: plugs, molds, gel coating, laminating, grinding, bonding, and finishing. The carpentry department make plywood parts such as seats, backrests, and more, using marine ply, which is resistant to moisture. Upholsterers make and fit cushions to these for the seating. The rubber inflatable tubes are fitted to the hull by the assembly team. The tubes are divided into separate compartments for safety in the event of a puncture. The assembly team attaches the tube to the hull and the fittings such as handles to the tube. The cleaning team carefully removes any glue and dirty marks from the boat. Parts such as the seats, engines, and electronics are then fitted by mechanics. The wide variety of skills that go into boat building have different minimum qualifications. For example, a toolmaker or carpenter needs a national diploma or apprenticeship, and a laminator needs a grade 8, but all contribute to building top quality, reliable products. Boat builders and repairers provide a service to local and international clients. This specialized career requires physical fitness, a good eye for detail, and teamwork. On-the-job training is provided.